Did you know some simple home upgrades can nearly double your investment when it's time to sell? Hi, I'm Kurt Johnston with Iron Valley Real Estate of York County, and I love helping homeowners maximize their home's value without breaking the bank. I recently shared a blog post about home remodeling projects with the best return on investment, and the results are eye-opening. For example, replacing your garage door has a 194% ROI that's nearly double your money back. Upgrading to a steel entry door, that's another 188% ROI. If you're considering a minor kitchen remodel, even modest updates can make a big impact on resale value. If you're thinking about selling or just want to make smart upgrades, let's talk. I can help you focus on the projects that will make the biggest impact. Check out the full blog post for more details, the links in the caption, or reach out directly with any questions. I'd love to help. Whether you're upgrading to enjoy your home more or getting ready to sell, let's make your next project a smart investment.